Okay, we're looking at the toggle switch for the hazard lights in this LMTV. As you can see, these other switches here are lit up and work on this dimmer, but this one, the light isn't working. Now, all that is a light bulb. That this wire goes to the light bulb. This one goes to the switches. That is the light bulb. It's a 2721. Just pulls out of the light bulb holder. Pushes back in. Now you can see it works on the dimmer. There's also this little light bulb cover that I had to fish out of the back of the toggle switch. Not sure. Hopefully it'll stay on there. There, now all my switches are lit.